In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send same document to multiple people in Pandadoc. This is a helpful method when you have already sent a document and you want more than one person to be able to view it, review it, or access it without creating separate copies. Instead of sending the same file again and again, you will generate a shareable link that you can send to multiple recipients through your usual communication channel. To begin, open Pandadoc and go to your documents list. Find the document that has already been sent. It is important that you open the actual sent document, not a draft or a template, because the sharing option we need is available from inside the document view. Once the sent document is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled Invite. Click Invite. This opens a menu with different ways to provide access to the document. In the drop-down that appears, select Share via Link. When you choose this option, Pandadoc will display a link on the screen. This link is what you will use to share the same document with multiple people. Now copy the link provided. Take an extra second to confirm you have copied the full link before you close the window. A simple way to avoid mistakes is to paste the link temporarily into a note or a draft message first, just to confirm it looks complete, and then copy it again from there if needed. After that, you can share this link with multiple people. Paste it into an email, a chat message, or whichever platform you use to communicate with your recipients. Anyone you send it to can use the same link to access the document, so you do not need to generate a new one for each person. As a final tip, be thoughtful about where you post this link. Since it is designed for sharing, only send it to the intended recipients, and avoid placing it in public spaces where it could be forwarded beyond your audience. That covers everything you need to know.